In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ElevenLabs pause for 5 minutes using their text-to-speech feature. We're diving into a straightforward process that allows you to fine-tune your audio narration by inserting pauses, which can add emphasis or assist in natural speech flow. Let's begin by opening your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're most comfortable with. You'll want to navigate to the ElevenLabs website, so make sure you're connected to the internet. Once the page has loaded, move on to the next step, which is logging in. If you already have an account, simply enter your username and password. For those who are new to ElevenLabs, you'll need to create an account. It's a standard process involving your email and a chosen password, no different than signing up for any other online service. Now that you're logged in, let's delve into using the text-to-speech feature with the 11v3 voice design. This particular version is noted for its expressive voice capabilities, making it ideal for creating engaging audio content. So, make sure you've selected this voice design as you prepare to generate your speech. As you prepare your text, you're going to want to add pauses to your speech for expressiveness or to ensure your message lands effectively. To do this, you have several options at your disposal. You can use hyphens, backslashes, or ellipses to represent pauses in your text. Each of these symbols tells the system to briefly pause before continuing, similar to pausing for a breath when speaking naturally. Play around with these symbols to find the exact timing that works for your script. The length and placement of these pauses can dramatically influence how your message is perceived, making it an important detail to get right. Once your text is ready with all the necessary pauses inserted, it's time to click on the Generate Speech button. This initiates the process where the software converts your written script into spoken words. Give it a few moments to process and then listen to the result. Listen carefully to ensure that the pauses are appropriately placed and that the overall reading matches your expectations. If you find that the generated speech is just what you were aiming for, you can then decide what to do with it. You have the option to share it directly with others or download it for future use. If you're planning to use it in a podcast, video, or any other platform, downloading it might be your best bet. You can also share it directly if you're collaborating with a team or want to get feedback. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the skills to make effective pauses using ElevenLabs' text-to-speech feature. This allows you to create dynamic and engaging audio that engages your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.